Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to link Audible to Alexa. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Audible account. And how do you create one? Of course, it's very simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar of your browser type audible.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Follow through the on-screen prompt to create an account, and once you're done, it's going to take you to the Audible homepage, which of course is displayed right here. Now, you cannot link Audible to Alexa using the Audible website itself. So let's get to the mother application, which is Amazon itself. So this is Amazon, right? Let's see how we can, of course, link Audible to Alexa on Amazon. So go ahead, top right corner, click on the account and list, and it's going to take you to this. All right. Just click on Hello Amy account and list, and it's going to open up to this page. So scroll all the way down. And no, that's not what I want. So scroll the way down from this page, and then it's going to take you to this digital content and devices, all things Alexa. So go ahead and click on all things Alexa. Now you can learn more about Alexa from here. So scroll the way down, you're going to see all the features: smartphone, productivity, shopping, entertainment, Alexa together, and that's all. So scroll okay, here you're going to see how you can set that up. So first, the Amazon Alexa app is a quick, easy way to try Alexa on your phone, as well as set up and manage compatible devices. So you have to download the Alexa application. So you can click here, download Alexa app, to help you download the Alexa app. And then the next one is set it on your device. And let's see how we can learn more on how to set up an Alexa application on device, and see how we can, of course, use Audible through it. So I've opened up this page, and now it says select your Echo. So jump to set up Echo devices, or jump to set up Echo Show devices. So these are the steps that you can take to set up your Echo. First, have your Wi-Fi password handy. Of course, you can also enable Bluetooth on your phone for an easier setup experience. And then next, download the Amazon Alexa app, of course, which I've shown you how to do. You can also click this hyperlink to get that done. And then the next thing is plug in your Echo device. So plug in your Echo device into an outlet, and then in about a minute, Alexa will greet you and then let you know to complete the setup in the Alexa app. So Alexa is going to let you know how to complete the setup. So set up in the Alexa app, open the Alexa application and follow the on-screen instructions, which are self-explanatory, to set up your device. Now, if you aren't prompted to set up your device after opening the Alexa app, tap the more icon you're going to find in the application to add your device manually, and then add your Echo device. Now get started. All you need to do is to just ask Alexa. Very simple. Once setup is complete, say Alexa to wake your Echo, and then ask for music, news, weather, and more. Or ask Alexa, what can you do? You know Alexa is ready when the light ring turns blue. So this is it. So from Audible, now to relate it to Audible, all you can do is Alexa, open my Audible application, and Alexa is going to open it up. Alexa, take me to my library on Audible, and Alexa will help you. Alexa, take me to my purchase page, or help me purchase 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Alexa will go through all of those processes. It's an AI, all right, that works with your command. So whatever you do, whatever you say, and you input into the Echo device, Alexa is going to do that exactly on your Audible. So once you've set up the Alexa application, Audible, that's the Amazon Alexa application on your phone, and then you've linked it to your Echo, that's it. Alexa, do anything for me on Audible, and Alexa is going to do anything for you on Audible, and you'll be good to go. So this is pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.